In this video, we will compare Ramp and Build.com. If you guys want to get started with either Ramp or Build.com, you can use the links given down in the description. Ramp and Build.com are both financial management tools, but they serve different purposes. Ramp is a corporate spend management platform designed to help businesses control expenses, automate accounting, and optimize spending. It offers corporate cards with cashback rewards, real-time expense tracking, and AI-driven insights to reduce costs. Ramp is ideal for companies looking for a streamlined way to manage businesses' expenses with built-in cost-saving features. Build.com, on the other hand, focuses on account payable or AP and account receivable or AR and automation. It simplifies invoicing, processing, vendor payments, and customer billing, making it easier to manage cash flow. It integrates with major accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, making it useful for businesses that need a dedicated AP or AR solution. In my opinion, if you want a tool to manage corporate spending efficiently, Ramp is a better choice. But if you need a strong AP or AR automation system, Build.com is the way to go. So that's comparison between Ramp and Build.com. Make sure to use the links given down in the description to get started with either Ramp or Build.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.